Namaste, how are you?
I'm fine. Sarah, how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. How do you like China?
Well, China is a very good country, beautiful and clean. And so far, I've enjoyed the hospitality that we have received, especially in Changsha.
So how about the spicy food in Shanghai?
Well, we're enjoying it. It's a different experience from our food in Zimbabwe. So we actually experiencing the spicy food. Hopefully, we can introduce also some more spices in our food.
Nice. How do you like this FAT experience with Shanghai Marya?
Well, it was one of an experience of its kind. It was actually the first FAT that we had undertaken, and I like the organization, the systematic approach to the whole process, and also that we went through everything together, and the consultation, and also the responsiveness of Shanghai Maya engineers. Well, they were always available to make to have an answer, and also to take the corrective action of any processes that we were concerned about. And I think our engineers who were working with the Shanghai Mine, they also learned a lot in the process, and they were able to be satisfied with the effect of the acceptance test.
Thank you. What do you like our quality, our service, and our price?
Yes, the quality is really good, and during the certification process, that's when I was really satisfied that you stick to high quality and source your materials from reputable and open brands. So we didn't have any questions once you told us who the part supplier was.
Do you have any advice for us?
Yes, so of course, I think your business is very high value business, and as such you must be able to provide enough supplies to the companies. And I see it's also an international business, which means you can access a wider market. Now, on the Zimbabwean side, I would like to say this is just an entry point. So as we build our relationship, I think you can access more Zimbabwean market if we continue to work together.
Thank you very much. That will be a good opportunity for us. So will you introduce our company to your friends?
Yes, of course. I think your products should speed up the delivery. Because once we have received the product, it will market itself. And as soon as we commission and open it, actually you have a lot of other inquiries from other potential buyers of your equipment. Because as we modernize our pharmaceutical industry, we will actually have more machines and equipment of a similar nature.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Maurice. Good evening.
Good evening, Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Is this your first time in China?
No, this is my second time. Yes.
Do you enjoy the food, the shopping here?
Yes, we do. And also the people of China. Yes, we are so amazing. We are full of love. You received us with all your hands. We thank you so much for that.
It's our pleasure.
Yes.
How do you like this FAT and this cooperation with Shanghai Marya?
Okay. The FAT goes very well. We really appreciate your support, and also I really appreciate the support of my CEO, Dr. Savage, our engineers, and the NBA team who are present today with us. It was really amazing. Yes.
Okay. So how do you think of our communication with you?
Your communication is Shanghai Maya.
Yes.
Yeah, it was of great importance.
Mm-hmm.
Let me thank you, Sarah. You are a great person. Okay, let me just shake a hand with you. Sarah is very patient. I think we started this journey a year and a half or 2 years ago. I've been promising her that, don't worry, Sarah, we'll click this deal. So she was like, every time on WhatsApp, WeChat, on email, she was always following up until the purchase is gone through. So thank you very much. I think we've been communicating so well. We've been resolving issues together for the benefit of our country as Zimbabwe, for the benefit of the National Biotechnology Authority, and for your benefit also. Yes.
Thank you. So, what do you like about our quality?
Yes, I really like your quality. Let me take this opportunity. I've been asking my engineers, what do you think about the quality of the equipment? Because as a procurement professional, you know when you engage a supplier, you will be looking for a value for money purchase for every purchase you do. So when you engage a supplier who provides substandard equipment or products, it will be a messy on my side. So I'm really happy that the engineers confirmed that the equipment is of better standard or good standard. Yes.
Thank you. So will you introduce our company to your friends?
Definitely, I will do.
Thank you.
In fact, I've already started.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
And how do you feel about our service?
Your service is extraordinary. Let me say so. It's very good.
Thank
Yes.
you, thank you.
Very good. The people of Maya, you have been so nice to us. You have been supporting us all the way. Yes. So let's keep on the oneness. Let's keep on being on each other's side. Let's maintain the relationship. You know, the relationship between the supplier, buyer-supplier relationship is very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
And do you have any suggestion for us?
Yes, maybe on your engineering team, on the issue of language.
Yes.
Yes, maybe if you can, we can have 1 or 2 engineers who are able to speak English fluently.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that can help us.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.